Are you passionate about geology and considering studying in the UK? Here are the top 10 UK universities for geology in 2025, according to the Complete University Guide. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the University of Edinburgh. Renowned for its rich history and diverse research opportunities, it's a fantastic place to start your geology journey. Combining geology with geophysics, the University of Edinburgh allows students to learn from their wide range of experienced academics across a range of earth science disciplines. Their research-led, industry-informed teaching makes your degree relevant to the world and helps make you highly employable. The university has pioneered research proving human-caused greenhouse gases are warming our planet, which helped underpin the 2015 Paris Agreement. Next up is the University of Bristol, which takes the 9th spot. With its cutting-edge facilities and strong industry connections, it offers an incredible learning experience. University of Bristol was ranked second in the UK for Earth Systems and Environmental Sciences research, with an excellent reputation for teaching and learning. Their Geology BSc is approved by major professional bodies in the UK, so as a graduate, you can gain exemptions from a number of their examinations or credits for prior learning. In the 8th place is the University of Leeds. Known for its comprehensive curriculum and supportive academic environment, Leeds prepares you well for a career in geology. Their Geology BSc will equip you with a deep understanding of the Earth system, learning how the landscape was sculpted over hundreds of millions of years by the collision of continents, the emergence of life, and the erosive power of ice sheets. This program is accredited by the Geological Society. Coming in at number 7, we have Durham University. It boasts state-of-the-art laboratories and a robust fieldwork program, making it a top choice for aspiring geologists. Career prospects for Durham graduates are excellent. Geology and earth sciences graduates are highly valued by employers and go on to a wide range of highly successful careers in the sector. 91% students are in paid employment or further study within 15 months after graduation across all their programs. The University of Exeter ranks 6th. Its strong focus on sustainability and real-world applications of geology make it an ideal choice for environmentally conscious students. They are also the top 5 in the UK for earth and marine sciences, according to the Guardian University Guide 2025. Their programs are accredited by the Geological Society, which is the first step on the ladder to chartered geologist status after graduation. At number 5 is the University of Reading. Known for its research excellence and modern facilities, it offers a dynamic and engaging study experience. The University of Reading has been named Sustainable University of the Year in the Times and the Sunday Times Good University Guide 2025. Also, they were the first ever winner of the Times Higher Education, the award for outstanding contribution to environmental leadership in 2023. Imperial College London claims the 4th spot. With its rigorous programs and unparalleled research resources, it prepares students to tackle complex geological challenges. Students will benefit from their internationally leading research program, as well as lectures and case studies from business and academic leaders. They also have the opportunity to explore specialist areas such as paleobiology and oceanography in further detail across a series of optional modules. In addition, 91% of Imperial Earth Science and Engineering graduates boasted good progression within 15 months of graduating from the course. Next, the University of St Andrews takes the 3rd position. The BSc in Geology at St Andrews explores the origin and evolution of our planet and its biosphere over time, using the geological record and the fundamentals of chemistry, physics and biology to understand the processes and events that have shaped the Earth system. Securing the 2nd spot is the University of Oxford. With its world-renowned faculty and extensive fieldwork opportunities, it's a dream destination for any geology student. They combine physics, chemistry, and biology with geology, geography, and paleontology to answer fundamental questions about the origin, development, and future of the Earth. Students will be trained in the skills required for the interpretation of rock materials and geological phenomena, as well as applying theory and techniques from other disciplines to to the study of the Earth and the environment. And finally, at number 1, we have the University of Cambridge. Known globally for its academic excellence and groundbreaking research, it's the ultimate place to study geology. The course is an introduction to the whole field of Earth and planetary geology. It covers the nature and properties of the Earth, particularly of the mantle and the crust, observed and deduced processes of change, both of the Earth's interior and also in its oceans and atmosphere, biological, physical and chemical methods of dating to establish rates of geological and global environmental change, and major economic considerations. That's it, the top 10 UK universities for geology 2025. Remember to subscribe for more videos like this.